Dear students, today I am going to discuss very important questions for the board examination point of view, and the question is, write the mechanism of hydration of ethene alkene to yield ethanol, that means alcohol. That means you have to write the mechanism for the formation of alcohol from alkene. Now basically this reaction occurs in 3 steps. Now the step 1 is protonation of ethene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of H3O+. First of all, in this question we would like to discuss what is the meaning of hydration. That means addition of acid to water is called hydration. Now coming to the step 1, protonation of ethene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. So let us know how hydronium ion is formed. Here we having water molecule, and in the presence of acid H plus, there is a shifting of this lone pair of electron to this H plus, because this one is electron deficient hydrogen, so it need electrons, so that can be provided by the water molecule to form H3O plus ion. Now once the H3O plus ion formed, it attack to ethene molecule. Why? Because you know that this ethene molecule contains double bond. One is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. So it having rich electron. So it having electron and it is electron deficient. So it acts as an electrophile. So it will, these electrons will be shifted to this H3O plus ion. Ultimately what will happen, that you can see that CH3 CH2 plus formed. How? Because you know that once H3O plus ion is nullified by these pi electrons, then a positive charge is developed, because this both the electron is shifting to this one, so hence a positive charge will be developed. Since this one is alkene, so shifting can occur in both the direction, either this will shift in this direction or in this direction. So if the electron movement is in this direction, then it becomes positive charge and one hydrogen atom is attached here, so ultimately a carbocation is formed and water molecule eliminated. Now in second step what happen, ki nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. So here it is electron deficient, as you have seen earlier, so it requires electron to neutralize the positive charge, hence water molecule provide the lone pair of electron to this ethyl carbocation. Ultimately the product formed is CH3 CH2 OH2 plus. This is protonated ethanol. Now this positive charge on oxygen is unstable. Since oxygen is electronegative element and it is a positively charged, so it is unstable. So ultimately what will happen, in the third step, deprotonation to form ethanol or alcohol. So here you can see the protonated ethanol, and in the presence of water, again what will happen, so this electron is provided to this positively charged carbocation. Ultimately OH will be attached and elimination of this H and H2O to form H3O plus hydronium ion. So we have seen here that formation of hydronium ion at the end, and at the earlier it was also H3O plus. So H3O plus here acts as a catalyst. Thank you. You understood well.